Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate soufflé. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including good quality dark chocolate and fresh eggs. Preparing your ramekins correctly is crucial. Butter and sugar them well to help the soufflé rise. Remember to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit early on. This ensures a consistent baking temperature for that perfect airy texture. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Next, we'll focus on the batter. Carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Whip the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, gradually adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This creates the essential lift for your soufflé. Then, gently fold these airy whites into your chocolate base, being careful not to deflate the mixture. This step is key for a light, fluffy result. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support means a lot. Speaking of bringing things to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker can fill your kitchen with music while you bake, making the process even more enjoyable. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, baking. Fill your prepared ramekins about 3/4 full with the delicate batter. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are beautifully puffed and golden with a slight jiggle in the center. Resist the urge to open the oven door too early, as this can cause your soufflé to collapse. Serve your masterpiece immediately, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar or a simple raspberry sauce. Enjoy your perfectly risen chocolate soufflé.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.